So hello all the star technophiles. This is Ojasvi Jan, and in this video we will going to see the behavior of the float number and how exactly we should deal with that, because in a JavaScript, or I can say that any other languages if we're talking about, the floating point number is stored it into a IEE, that is 745 format, is also called as a double precision format. So what exactly it is happening behind the scene when we are writing a number, that number is converted into a binary format, and that binary format is called as a double precision format, and the calculation is happen if we are adding the value, then addition has happened. If you are multiplying, then multiplication happened in a binary format only, then it converted it into a number format, and we are able to see that. So in this conversion, we are able to see a kind of a difference in a value in terms of points value. So I really want to show you one example like that. This will give you a more clarity. So if I show you this console, and before just see this result on a console, if I ask you what should be its value, so what I'm doing, I'm comparing two value, zero point 0.1 plus zero point 0.2 triple equals to zero point 0.3. If we are calculating this thing, zero point 0.1 plus zero point 0.2, definitely we are getting zero point 0.3 only. Like there is no at all a kind of extra point value as well to make it the another value. Definitely it will going to be zero point 0.3 only. But when I save it and see the result on a console like that, I'm getting a false value. Means zero point 0.1 plus zero point 0.2, it's not equals to zero point 0.3. Now what exactly the value of zero point 0.1 plus zero point 0.2 is? Just I really want to show you in a log like that. So that will give you a clarity that how exactly it is behaving in behind the scene. So zero point 0.1 plus 0 point exactly it is equal to zero point 0.3, and that much zero then after 4. That's why it is showing that it is not equals to zero point 0.3. Actually, in terms of number, it doesn't make any sense, right? Because according to our mathematics or according to our calculation, it should be equal to exactly zero point 0.3 only, nothing any point, nothing a point 0.1 difference, right? I really want to show you one another example, then I will show you what exactly the solution for that, an efficient solution for that. So here it is the example. So if I declare one variable like that, or two number, and if I console it, okay, if I console it like that, addition, if I console it, so just before saving this value, I really want to show you this on a calculator first, right? So in a calculator, if I add 10.45 plus 12.42, it will give a 22.87 exact value, right? But when you see on a console, it is giving 22.86, and that much of 9 and then 7. It I'm getting that number. So you can see that there is a kind of a different value, or a kind of more precise value we are getting rather than the exact value. So this will create a kind of problem when we are dealing with a kind of sensitive programs, like the program which is used in a banking system. So this will create a huge issue or a problem. That's why we should deal with that very wisely, very proper manner. So here I am going to give you a second example how you should deal with that in a proper manner, so that we get an exact result, or the result what we are expecting, right? So here is the another example, the same example only another number type variable I'm defining. Now what I'm doing right now, I'm just multiplying this with a hundred to make it a exact number, not in a decimal, right? So if I do like, now I'm consoling the addition of that, and you will going to see the value like this 22, like 2287. But this is not a correct value that what exactly I want, so I will going to divide with 100. So here is the value that I really want. That is nothing but a 22.87. If I show you the calculator again, so that's the value I am getting, 22.7, 22.87. So here I'm getting it on the console as well. So this is a way of dealing with a float value, because it is first converted into a binary format, then the operation happen and again converted into a float value, and we able to see the result. That's why kind of a different decimal value we can see that. So to handling this in a proper manner, this is what I prefer, to convert it first it into a number form, and then perform a same operation like divided by 100. Like first I'm multiplying that by 100, and at the end after getting a result I'm dividing it by 100. That's what I'm dealing with to get a accurate result. So hope you like that video. This is all about the float value uh, in a JavaScript. In the next video, we will going to see more detail about the function, what type of function we are using to convert it into a number form. So as of now, take care, have a nice day, and see you in the next video.